Only using 3 ingredients, you don't need to use the stove, just condensed milk, and it's super delicious. We'll start with 400 grams of biscuits, any biscuit that you buy on the supermarket, and let's beat it until it turns like this, okay guys? Crush it very well. Then let's put it in a bowl with 3 tablespoons of powdered chocolate, alright? 200 milliliters of milk, and now guys, let's mix it very well. It's gonna change the textures. It has to be like this, alright? Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's put it in a paper and let's start shaping our recipe. Here we are going to let it round, okay? This way, as you can see on the video, there's no secret for that. Let's go rolling with our hands and then close the boards. It's gonna be like this, alright? Like a sausage. Just take it to the fridge from one day to the other and our recipe is practically done. After that, just take it out from the fridge, take the paper out as well. And look at it, guys, super easy, very delicious. Make it at your house and surprise yourself as well. Look at it, seriously, but we are going to complement it and let it even more delicious, all right? We are going to melt chocolate, the one you prefer, and then we are going to pour it all over this dessert. Here I'm using half dark chocolate. I melted it, all right? And then you can just pass it on the chocolate like this. Seriously, guys, isn't it perfect? It's gonna be super yummy, very beautiful. And now just wait for the chocolate to be hard in the fridge and then eat this delicious. Just take a look at this recipe. It's super good. Make it at your house and be surprised with that. A recipe that you will use just a few ingredients, very easy to make and there is no secret. And the kids love it as well. And if you watched this video until here, that means you liked this recipe, so don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Like this, I can see how much you liked this recipe. And I'm gonna leave you guys right now with this amazing scene, alright? It's giving me water in my mouth. Enjoy this moment and send this recipe for a friend of yours that can make this recipe with you. I'm gonna leave now. Kisses, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.